Line.
One only, sir.
Only one, no, two. One,
two.
yes, one here
Side and side.
and one here. Two drip lines. Okay. Now they put the two lines together in the middle because they are going to grow a crop. I will explain later what kind of crop it is that needs a little bit more water than others. So one line is not enough for it, so they put two drip lines. Now, before I talk about the crop, they cover it by plastic, and you can see that if we look at the plastic, it's two colors plastic. On the bottom it's black, you see here it's black, and at the top it's yellow. Can you think about the idea why they use this kind of plastic? Yeah.
Yellow divert
Insects, flies, yes, yes.
dark black.
Not to pick the worm. This is a common mistake that the opposite. The black is cooling the soil and not it's preventing the weeds to grow because it's make darkness, and plant without light cannot develop. So they make darkness on the surface of the soil, so weeds cannot go up. Now they make these holes because here they are going to plant the crop, and the crop needs to see the light, so they have to make these holes. And they will plant here. They plant, and the surrounding the plant will grow without weeds and no or less competition with the weeds, and the crop can grow much better. And the yellow, it's white to attract the kind of insects. Not all the insects are attracted to the yellow, but the main problematic fly here are the flies of the white fly, the Babesia, that bringing the viruses. So they are attracted to the yellow, so they use the yellow plastic. Now, what is this? This is a trellis. They grow here cucumber, melon, watermelon, or any crop that needs a heavy trellis. So they hang it on this net, and the end of season you can find watermelon in this size hanging on this net. But if they let it go on the floor, it's a natural way to the cucumber, melon, watermelon to grow is on the floor. First of all, the fruits will touch the soil and will be exposed to more diseases and problems. And secondly, it will cover the soil and will not have enough place to grow with exposed to the sunlight. So they grow it this way. It has more area to develop and to be exposed to the sunlight, so it can grow much better, much faster, better fruits, and the fruits will be in the air and are not touch the soil, are less exposed to any other problems. So mostly they grow here, I think, melon, watermelon, cucumber, beans, many kinds of beans, soya beans, peas, etc., etc. Questions?
What kind of trellising is this? Is it the Spanish?
This is
Spanish?
not Spanish. This is Dutch.
Dutch
The
trellising.
Spanish is maybe we'll see it later.
Okay.
It's two metals or wood, and the plants go this way. they are less popular